We want to make x the subject of the following equations. We have x squared is equal to 16. Consider 4. 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. But note, if we consider minus 4 squared, which is minus 4 times minus 4, we know a negative times a negative gives a positive result, and 4 times 4 is 16. So minus 4 squared is also 16. It follows that if x squared is 16, x must be equal to plus or minus 4. It could be either 4 or minus 4. Sometimes, when we're solving an equation, we know that x represents something like a length, which cannot be negative, and therefore 4 would be the only answer. However, generally, x squared equals 16 could either be plus or minus 4. Note here that the square root of 16 is equal to 4. So if we now consider x squared is p, x must be equal to plus or minus the square root of p. Just compare this with the example in part A. It should be clear that root p multiplied by root p is p, and that minus root p times minus root p, the minus minus giving a plus, root p times root p giving p, so therefore either plus or minus root p is the solution.